Hello dear students, today we will be going to discuss block 17 LP2 fixed direction. So what is our aim? We will learn how to find the direction with the help of position of the sun. What we will be going to learn, as we have already discussed, there are 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. So what we will be going to learn today, we will find the direction with the help of the position of sun. Keyword is position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position means the way something is pointing up or down. So what you have to do, take one picture of sun and write down east below it. Means if you are facing sun, you are facing the east direction, and behind you there is the west direction, and in your right side that is your south direction, and in your left hand side that is your north direction. Let's watch this video.
The sun's position gives us directions. At sunrise, south is right, west is behind us, and north is left. At sunset, south is left, east is behind us, and north is right.
So what this video told us? This video told us that if we are facing sun, we are facing the east direction, and behind you is the west direction. Your right hand side is the south direction, and your left hand side is the north direction. So the question is, if you stand facing the sun, which direction will be your left, right, and back? As I told you, your back is the west direction. You are facing sun means east direction in front of you. Your back side is the west. Your right side is the south, and your left side is the north direction. See, me, if I am facing the sun, I am facing the east direction. Behind me, west direction. My right hand side, south direction. My left hand side, north direction. Again I am repeating, if I am facing sun, I am facing the east direction, and behind me the direction is west. My right side is the south, and my left side is the north direction. Now next question is, why is it easy to find the fixed directions when facing the sun? So it is easy to find out the fixed direction when we are facing to sun, to find them in a correct manner. If the direction of sun is changing, we will not be able to find out the direction. So why it is easy to find the fixed direction when facing the sun? Because it gives the fixed directions at that time. See here, if somebody is facing sunrise, so that direction is east, behind you is the west, your right hand side is the south, and your left hand side is the north. And in the opposite case, when in the time of sunset, at the time of sunset, the right side become north and your left side become south. That is the only difference. Now the last question is, if you face the sun at sunrise, on which side is your shadow likely to form? Remember one thing, shadow always form behind the light source. Suppose you are facing sun, your shadow will be formed at the back of yours. Means shadow always form the opposite side of light source. So the question is, if you are facing sun at sunrise, your shadow will be formed at the back. Means sunrise side is the east, your shadow will form at the west. Let's discuss the practice questions. Filling the blanks in the direction. See, at the sun side, you are facing east. That girl is facing the east direction during the sunrise. And during the sunset, the direction is west. Yellow side, you will write down east. Red sunset time, west. And the girl right hand side is the south. Means above side is the south and below side is the north direction. Again I am repeating, yellow side east, red side west, girl right side is the south and left side is the north. Second question is, Sam wants to find the north direction from the sun position in the evening. Which direction is the sun? Obviously, the direction is west. Direction is west. Third, if the sun rises in the different direction every day, will you be able to find out the cardinal directions with the help of sun position? Why not? The answer is no. If sun is changing its position during the day many times, we will not be able to find out the cardinal directions. Means cardinal direction are the fixed direction that we will be able to find out with the help of sun direction. And if sun is changing continuously its direction, then we will not be able to find out those cardinal direction in a proper way. So the answer is no. To get the fixed direction, we need the sunrise or sunset at the different time. Thank you.